Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that pesky Canon Error Code 1471 on your printer screen, especially if you're dealing with 2025 models. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what this error means and how to fix it step by step. This code often pops up due to issues like paper jams, faulty paper feeding mechanisms, or even software glitches in newer Canon devices. It's super common, but the good news is, it's usually an easy fix that you can handle at home. First things first, let's start with the basics. Turn off your Canon printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. If that doesn't work, check for any paper jams. Open the printer's paper tray and internal covers carefully. Make sure there's no stuck paper or debris inside. Use a flashlight if needed to spot anything hidden. Once you're sure it's clear, reload your paper properly, ensuring it's aligned and not overloaded. Next, if the error persists, it could be related to your ink cartridges or print heads. Open your printer's settings on your computer and run a print head cleaning cycle if available. Also, double-check that your printer firmware is up to date. Visit Canon's official website, go to the support section, and download any updates for your specific model. This is crucial for 2025 devices, as they might have new software patches. If you've tried all that and still see error code 1471, it might be time to contact Canon support. They can provide model-specific advice or recommend a service center. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your printer and using quality paper can prevent these issues in the future. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling Canon error code 1471. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.